Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn how to make your test papers. We are not going to do anything in Teams app. Right now we are going to learn how to make test papers only. So first you have to open Google, type Microsoft Forms. Open Microsoft Forms. So it could be possible that it will ask you to sign in if you haven't signed in yet. So I have not signed in. So first tap on sign in here. Click. Enter your email ID. Enter your password. And Microsoft Forms will open. So if you have created any form before, it will show here, and if you want to create a new one, you have to tap here, new quiz. So let's assume that we are making a PA exam paper, so of biology class 10. So biology class 10 PA 1. Cool. We don't have to add any description. If you want to, you can. So let's start adding questions. For adding questions, you have to tap on add new. There are two options, choice and text. First we will learn how to add multiple choice questions. Tap on here. The first question, let it be question only, and here is option 1, option 2. We need 4 options, so I will add one more, option 3 and option 4. You have to mark which option is correct. To do that, first you have to choose which option is correct. For example, option 2 is correct, so you have to tap on correct answer. This second option is correct. Here it is marked as correct. So now we will set marks, that how much marks does this question hold. For example, this question holds 2 marks. Okay, it's done. Now let's add another question of another type. Let it be question only, question mark. Option 1 is true. It's a true and false question, that you can put a statement here and students will tell whether it is true or false. Simple. It will hold 2 marks also. Now let's add a fill in the blank type of question. Tap here. Let's it be Agra is a city. Okay, so underscore and dot. Correct answer is city, so it will hold 5 marks. That's it. And now you can make multiple questions of these type of questions. Okay, so let's add a question which will be holding a picture. For example, text, not text, we'll use choice, and let's add a picture here, image, upload, and we will be uploading it from our desktop only. So I added a picture of a tooth. What is it? Question mark. Teeth, hand. The correct answer is teeth. I marked it. It will hold 5 marks. Let's add another one, that what else you can do with this diagram part. Choose choice question. We'll add a picture, image, upload, and I have downloaded a picture of flower, and in this flower there are labelings. Okay, so let's label the diagram. Okay, so the A is stigma, B is something something, C is something something, D is something something, and you will add multiple question here. For example, copy, paste, and let's remove stigma and put stem or style or ovary. So let's assume that this set is correct because A is stigma, A is here and A is stigma. I have uploaded this diagram with solution, but you have to remove the solution so that student will be able to see only these labelings, not the answers. I did it just for an example, don't follow it. So I added these, and the right answer is A because the A is stigma, and let assume B style, C is this and this, but here A is same style ovary, which is not correct. So correct is A, 6 stigma, which is correct. I marked it 0.5. So by doing this, you will create multiple questions, and you know how to do that. When you complete it, you don't have to do anything, it is saved. All you have to do is tap on preview to see how is your question paper. Now this is what students will see. So this is question, let's assume answer is this. Answer: Agra is a city, it is a teeth, it is stigma. Submit. Thanks, your response was submitted. View results. Okay, my answer is wrong because the right answer was option 2. It is true. City, teeth, this. I scored 15 out of 19. Okay, I scored well according to me. So now let's move ahead. Once you do this, your paper is created. You have to do nothing, get it checked by your coordinators, your heads, and then share. What you have to do is share this link with them. This link, first you have to tap share, then you have to go to share to collaborate, get a link to view and edit, so that your coordinators will be able to edit this file. Tap here, copy this link by tapping here copy, and share it on WhatsApp with them. Okay, so this is a simple tutorial that how you will be able to create your papers using true and false, multiple choice options, fill in the blanks, and how you will be able to add diagrams and mention their right answers and the possible questions you can make using forms, and how you will be submitting the answers and collecting their results. Okay, so let's make another tutorial for those who are going to do this by their phone. The one who have computer can also watch this because it will help them if they want to use their phone only. First thing I'm going to do is sign out. Now let's go back to Google. All of you have to do one simple thing: open your Google Chrome or any browser that you are having in your phone. So when you will open your browser, this page will appear. All you have to do is search for Microsoft Forms and tap on Microsoft Forms, and then I have this screen is appearing because I have already logged in. But if you haven't logged in your phones, you have to tap here. There is a button sign in, you have to tap on it and follow the same instructions. Enter your ID and password. Once you do it, this page will appear in front of you. When it does, you can see all the papers that I have created are here. But if you are doing it for the first time, you have to tap on new quiz. You have to do everything as per our previous discussion, you have to enter the name of the quiz, like PA1 exam paper of whichever subject it is, and tap on add. These are multiple choice question for a true and false. This one is fill in the blank, enter the question, add answer points, long answer and everything is this multiple choice question. You will type the question here, you will select the right answer, add more options, everything is here. And you will how will you add picture, you have to tap here. Everything is similar as we have done it before in computer. The user interface is similar, mostly similar in computer and phone. So everything is quite easy. You will be able to make your question papers easily. And once you do, in phone you have to tap on share and do exactly same. You have to share to collaborate, tap here, copy, the link is copied, share it on your WhatsApp group and give it to your coordinators. That's it. Everything is easy. If you face any problem, contact me, no problem. And everything should be done by day after tomorrow. Okay, so you don't have to do anything right now on Teams. All you have to do is create your exam papers on Forms app only. That's it. You have the phone users will do it on browsers, and computer users can do it from their Google Chrome. Same thing. Okay, if you face any problem, contact me. Thank you.